Second delivery. This is the second pump right now. We are delivering this beautiful TK50 cat reader. They're taking it all the way to Texas. Came to pick it up just today. Machine has been fully reconditioned. All new wear parts. It's been gone through 100%. We replaced a couple of electronics here. We didn't change the paint. He didn't want to spend any money on that. Hand valves, new hydraulic filter, new hydraulic oil, new engine filter and oil. The whole thing is ready to go make some money. Buen viaje! Hasta luego! Don't forget to subscribe. Also, you can go to our website, liveequipment.com, and you can see a complete list of equipment we have available for sale. Or just keep navigating through this channel. Have a great day.